Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add recycle bin on the left navigation pane of File Explorer in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the File Explorer. So you can see here on the left side you will see a tons of options, which is also known as the left navigation pane. So by default we don't have any option to add a recycle bin here. So in order to add a recycle bin on the left navigation pane of the File Explorer, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that you need to download one file. So you can see I've downloaded one file. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now what you need to do is just double click on it, click on run, now click on yes, click on OK. Now you can close the File Explorer and let us reopen the File Explorer. Voila, now you can see here the recycle bin has been added on the left navigation pane of the File Explorer. And if you want to remove it again, then just open the web browser again and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that you need to download one file again. So I have already downloaded, as you can see. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now similarly, just double click on it, click on run, click on yes, click on OK. Now just close the File Explorer and let us reopen the File Explorer. So finally we have removed the recycle bin from the left navigation pane of File Explorer. So by using this method you can easily add recycle bin on the left navigation pane of File Explorer in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.